In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a channel in Slack. If your sidebar is getting noisy or you want to focus without leaving a conversation, muting is a quick, reversible way to reduce interruptions while keeping access to everything you need. First, open Slack in your browser by heading to slack.com or use the desktop app if you prefer. The process is the same either way, and your settings will carry across devices. Make sure you're in the workspace where the channel lives and let Slack load fully so you can see your channels list on the left. Next, choose the channel you want to quiet down. You'll find your channels in the sidebar. Click the channel name to open it. Remember, muting doesn't remove you from the channel. You'll still be able to read messages, search the history, and jump back in when you're ready. It simply lowers the channel's presence so it doesn't compete for your attention. With the channel open, look to the top right of the channel header for the three-dot icon, often called the ellipsis. This menu contains channel-specific options. Click it to open the drop-down. If your window is narrow, the icon might shift slightly, but it will still be in the channel header area. From the drop-down, choose Edit Notifications. This opens the notification settings panel for that specific channel. Here, Slack gives you fine control over what alerts come through, so you can tailor your experience channel by channel without changing your global preferences. Now, select the option to mute and hide. When you do this, Slack will mute notifications from that channel and typically dim or de-emphasize it in your sidebar. New messages won't trigger alerts, and unread badges will be minimized, helping you maintain focus. You can still visit the channel anytime, nothing is deleted, and you won't miss content. You're just choosing when to check it. If someone mentions you directly, you'll still see that inside Slack when you look, but you won't be pulled away by a pop-up or sound. A quick tip: if you decide later that you want the channel to be lively again, just return to the same three-dot menu, open Edit Notifications, and toggle off the mute or unhide it. You can use this approach for as many channels as you need to keep your workspace tidy and your attention on what matters most. That's it. You've muted a Slack channel and taken control of your notifications without leaving the conversation. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused Slack.